Welcome back, YouTube, and thank you all for tuning in to another episode of the Finance Dictionary. Today we are talking all about credit card due dates, what they are, how you can use them, how they could be beneficial to you, and how they could potentially work against you. If that interests you, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share it with others. So today we're talking due dates. Due dates are a noun, and what are they? They are the minimum payment, the day that the minimum payment on your credit card is due. You know, the day that that minimum payment is due is your due date. So most of us are familiar with our due date because typically banks give us our due date whenever we open a credit account. They tell us that our card will be due on this date every month, but they may not necessarily explain to us the ins and outs of this due date and what it can be used for. So with the minimum payment being due this day, it's good to pay on your due date because it allows you to avoid fees, both late fees as well as interest. Now, a positive to knowing your due date is you know when your cards are supposed to be paid. So by knowing when your cards are supposed to be paid, you can avoid these fees. So you won't have to worry about paying interest, because if you pay your card off in full by the due date, you're not going to be charged interest. As long as you know that other date, which is the statement date that we talked about, and you can work around those two, you can take advantage of not having to pay interest, as well as if you pay your card by the due date every month, you won't have to pay a late fee for that card. So it's great to know our due date. Why or when may our due date not necessarily be so great? If we're not properly budgeting, or if we're not properly looking out for our due dates and managing them and keeping up with them, we could potentially miss payments or have late payments. That can cause us to pay our card late, have to pay late fees, accrue interest, accrue missed payments on our credit report if we forget a due date. And we just want to make sure that we're keeping up with our due dates every single month. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up before you leave. Comment on this video, let us know how you felt about this topic or any other topics that you may want to see in the future. And to subscribe to our channel as well as share these videos out with others so that they can get the same knowledge too. Once again, thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next video.